Bada bing, bada boom.
Yeah. Those pallets on top of that so you can get like a better angle because you got our double necks. Or double chin. Do like another palette, like this subculture. Fuck, do it on the Mac one.
Okay, twin, damn. You trying to say our double chins is bad? Twin, put the mirror like that.
How am I gonna see it?
You can't. You can see it.
No, cause this is right there, twin.
Oh. Oh shit.
No, you can't see that, can you?
No. Unless I'm going like this.
Hold on, let me. I can't. I can't.
Oh.
You made it worse.
No, I didn't.
When I can't see.
Neither can I. I can see you. No shit. Oh look.
Come over here. Damn, twin, not that close.
Oh.
Cause look. Yeah.
Oh.
Let me know when it looks. Does that look good?
Yeah. Looks the same to me, but I wasn't paying attention.
Or is it off a little bit? Does it look lopsided?
No.
Well, now does it?
No.
Okay.
Shaving my eyebrow pubes.
Does it look right?
Yeah. It does, twin.
Okay.
Damn. 10 motherfucking hours later.